Hi everyone. I want to walk you through multiplying with the standard algorithm, just as a little tutorial or refresher. So here we have a problem 524 times 236. We're always going to start off by estimating. So the 524 is going to become 500, 236 becomes 200. Basic fact, 5 times 2 is 10, with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer should be around 100,000. Okay, so now I'm going to set this up vertically. 524 times 236. I always start in the ones place in the bottom number, the bottom factor. So 6 times 4 is 24. And I write down one digit at a time, bundling up the largest digit. So 6 times 4 is 24. I'm going to write down the 4, bundle the 2. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. Write down the 4, bundle the 1. Remember, I can only write down one digit at a time as long as I have more numbers up here. Then 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Because I have nowhere to bundle here, now I can write down the 31. So 524 times 6 is 3,144. I'm going to erase the numbers I used for bundling. This is not a 3. Looks like a 3, smells like a 3, tastes like a 3. It's a 30. To show that, I'm going to place a 0 in my ones place because the number 30 has a 0 in the ones place. And now it's the same thing. I just think of it as digits. 3 times 4 is 12. Put down the 2, bundle the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Nothing to bundle. 3 times 5 is 15. Nowhere to bundle 2, so I write the 15 down. So 524 times 30 is 15,720. And that really makes sense because this is close to 500, and 500 times 30 would be 15,000. So I know I should be right. Now, continue to erase. This is not a 2. It looks like a 2, smells like a 2, tastes like a 2. It's a 200. So now I'm going to put down 2 zeros here because the number 200 has a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place. Now that I've done that, I can just multiply the digits like normal. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Because there's nowhere to bundle, I can write it down. Now what I do is I add up these numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write down the 6, bundle the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 1. And I get 123,664, kind of close to the 100,000. All right. And I can always check it with a calculator to make sure that I am correct. 524 times 236, 123,664. So again, the key is you start at this place value right here, and you go up and over and over. And then when I'm done, I move to the next one. I put down my 0, and I go to the ones, the tens, the hundreds. And then when I'm done, I go to the next one, and this is 2 zeros, because it's 200. And I go from here to the ones, to the tens, to the hundreds. It's always ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands if you need it. So hope that helps. Feel free to watch this whenever you need to.